The 2025 Honda CR-V FCEV, or, more simply, the CR-V fuel cell, is one of just 3 hydrogen-powered electric vehicles offered in the United States, and like its rivals, it's sold only in California. Honda last played in the niche hydrogen fuel cell segment in 2021, with the Clarity fuel cell. But instead of a low-slung sedan with a design focused on aerodynamics, Honda's latest hydrogen venture is based on the company's best-selling vehicle, the CR-V crossover. The fuel cell model shares the majority of its styling with the gas-powered SUV, save for a unique front grille and a longer nose to help accommodate the fuel cell itself. The CR-V fuel cell goes up against the Toyota Mirai sedan and Hyundai Nexo crossover, but unlike those hydrogen-powered models, the Honda also comes with a 17.7 kWh battery pack which can be charged via a home charging station and used to augment the overall driving range. The CR-V fuel cell will be available in limited quantities, and Honda has said it will build only 300 units per year. The CR-V fuel cell features an all-new powertrain for 2025, Honda's latest hydrogen fuel cell system being built through a joint venture with General Motors. The CR-V fuel cell's exterior and interior design will likely hew closely to the existing gas-powered CR-V. The price of the 2025 Honda CR-V fuel cell is expected to start around $60,000. The CR-V fuel cell's handsome interior design is highlighted by a honeycomb textured insert spanning most of the dash, discreetly hiding the air vents. The steering wheel frames a digital gauge cluster. The front seats are comfortable for long drives, and the straightforward driving position should accommodate a wide range of body sizes. Between the front seat passengers is a large center console bin, and behind them are reclining rear seats with plenty of legroom. The main differences you'll find inside the cabin when comparing the CR-V fuel cell to the standard CR-V are the push-button shifter and the smaller cargo capacity due to the hydrogen tanks mounted in the rear. A 9.0-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is standard on the CR-V FCEV, and it runs Honda's latest infotainment interface, which is simple and easy to use. It doesn't include a tuning knob. There is a volume knob that accompanies the built-in navigation, plus 2 USB-C ports for rear seat passengers and wireless smartphone charging. Honda's hydrogen fuel cell powertrain consists of a single motor that makes 174 horsepower and drives the front wheels. 2 hydrogen tanks are mounted underneath, and behind the rear seat, the fuel cell system and drive unit will be mounted under the hood. If the tanks should run out before you can make it to the hydrogen refueling station, a 17.7 kWh battery pack is on board for some reserve driving range. Honda claims the system is twice as durable, starts up much faster in cold weather, and costs 2/3 less to build than Honda's previous setup. We had a chance to take a CR-V fuel cell for a brief test drive and found it drives much like the standard CR-V, and the steering feel was actually improved over the hybrid variant. The interior remains calm and quiet during cruising, too. The CR-V fuel cell's hydrogen system is good for an estimated 241 miles of driving range, and the onboard 17.7 kWh battery pack is good for an additional 29 miles, per the EPA. Refueling the hydrogen tanks takes mere minutes, but recharging the battery pack for that extra reserve range will take 2 hours on a 240-volt connection. Luckily, you can tell the powertrain to charge the battery using power from the fuel cell while driving, should you need to juice the battery on the go. The EPA estimates that the CR-V fuel cell is good for 52 mpg city and 57 mpg highway. When we get a chance, we'll take it on our 75 miles per hour highway fuel economy test route and update this story with real-world results. For more information about the CR-V FCEV's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Honda equips every CR-V with a boatload of standard driver assistance technology. Along with standard blind spot monitoring, the compact SUV also comes with a driver attention monitor, traffic sign recognition, and a backseat reminder. For more information about the CR-V's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking, standard lane keeping assist and lane departure warning, standard adaptive cruise control. The CR-V fuel cell comes with the same warranty that is standard on all other new Honda models and a similar one to other electric SUVs from mainstream automakers. Honda's usual coverage package also includes 2 years of complimentary scheduled maintenance as a bonus. Limited warranty covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Electric components are covered for 8 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary scheduled maintenance is covered for 2 years or 24,000 miles.
9. Received the Motor Week Driver's Choice Best EV Award for 2024. Last year, the 2023 Kia F6 also received the